Alright, in this video I am using something brand new. I got a turntable for my birthday, so we're going to try a new technique. I am going to be using an open cup to create rings with my colors. I'm using some leftover colors from another painting, and so it's going to be greens and blues and yellow and white. So let's see how it goes.
Hey guys, it's Peter here. Today Kristin had her third treatment of chemotherapy for the second round of our treatments here, and she's doing very well. She wanted me to make sure that I thank you all for your support and your prayers. And the love she received on her birthday was really encouraging. I know it's a month after her birthday, but our journey has been quite eventful the last month with everything that's going on, and so she's doing well. The treatments are still a struggle, but she does them, and she is such a fighter, such a warrior, such an encouragement to me through this journey. I am blessed and honored to be able to be her husband and to be there for her and to care for her. Today, as I am editing this on Thursday before the video comes out, she just had her treatment today, so she's kind of down and out, and will be for the next several days until the IV treatments that she carries around with her are done, and then her body recovers for a couple days, which can be pretty tough as well. And then she's doing well the following weeks so far, so we're hoping that these treatments work and they allow us to verify it's a working treatment, so we can go to surgery and have the cancer tumors removed from her liver, and then we get to do some more treatments after that, because now we know the treatments work. So that's to remove all the invisibles, and Lord willing, that will mean there's nothing after that. So thank you so much for your prayers. This is a painting that Kristin really has been looking forward to doing with the cup and the turntable, and she just was really excited to see how it turned out. So I'm really glad that she's still able to paint and to be able to enjoy parts of life when things are still difficult. So she tends to be painting on her good weeks, and this is one of those. So thank you again for your support. She really appreciates it. For those of you who wonder why we continue to put out these videos and we continue to paint, one is actually for our mental health. Doing positive things and things you enjoy actually can really help your physical health, be able to absorb the treatments, to do well. And so for Kristin, this is a really benefit for her physical health. And it's also for our mental health to be able to find joy in challenging times. And I would encourage you, especially through COVID-19 and some of the other struggles you may be facing in life, find things that you enjoy and do them regularly. Set a schedule for yourself. Make sure you have the chance. Don't try to make money off them. That usually takes the joy away from them. Just do them because you enjoy it. Anyways, just my little input into your life.